a entrepreneur, a winner, a pitch winner in Daveyton last year, 2022 pitch winner with us in the building. I've said, and we've said as T, we've said as Netbank, this platform is for you. Next time when we come to Tsakane, we want to hear your story. Iba platform ya where now how well your business is doing. It's for you. So we're gonna introduce the brother. Difficult to get hold of the brother. But I understand because how simo wa shapadi kade nake ukuspanning. His name is Tumelo. Tumelo is the founder of Moja Gardening. He's the founder of Moja Gardening, a Daveyton company that services area in the city of Kuruleni. It specializes in providing lawn care, gardening services, consumable supplies, and fresh plants. So he's diversified it. He's with us in the building, the 2022 Daveyton pitch winner. Let's show some love to Tumelo!
Guys, I'm shy again. Okay, but I have a memory. But my first year in varsity, I started seeing skyscrapers like us. I don't know where it came from. I don't know what it was inspired by, but I just started seeing people in suits, people in corporates, going to work like us. Yeah, and it's like skyscrapers, 104-story buildings. Okay, sharp. Fast forward to maybe a year or two later, I was an intern at a sneaker cleaning company. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it. It's called Walk Fresh. So it's there where I learned the passion. It's there where I learned the importance of having a working system in your business. And most importantly, it's there where I learned the importance of starting young black businesses, fusing the skills that we have learned throughout our lives, and adding them onto whatever formal education that we have in order to build businesses, and then we give value to the world, and then we'll be able to build our own industries. Skyscrapers in the hood did not seem impossible after that. Sanbonan. I know probably some of you are probably wondering, but yeah, as Usbuda has said, Kamala Mutumelo, Kitsoko Daveyton 1520, and I'm the founder and the manager of a young, fresh, talented, ambitious, and a pretty great gardening company. Yeah, mochagani iprur. So we've been in business for the past 3 years, and we provide services such as landscaping, we do lawn installations, we cut grass, we sell compost, we do basic yard maintenance, and we also, So for people that don't have gardens, we have people that have paving. So labo sibashaya ngama weed killer, so you can see how great we actually are. Yeah. So, okay, this business was actually inspired by an assignment that I had in varsity, Benyenza EPR. So, gule assignment lena, they were like, guys, you need to come up with a fictitious organization, and you need to come up with a media plan that you're gonna use throughout the entire year. Okay, sharp. I think my first idea was a bus company. I failed. My second attempt was a media company. I failed again, but at least this time I qualified for a SAP. So I'm preparing for my SAP, I'm sitting, I'm like, I don't know what fictitious organization I can do. And then out of the blue somewhere, gardening. What if we took gardening, see package, see personality, see brand experience? We're gone. Okay, sharp. So So it's been quite a roller coaster with these whole 3 years. Like, I've experienced the highs of highs where I felt like the world was at my feet and nothing will stop me. And then I've experienced the lowest of lows where I just wanted to quit. But I won't, because I know I'm onto something. You know, when you know entrepreneurs, man, you know you're onto something. You just know it, you know? And I need to sleep peacefully at night, and I won't be able to sleep peacefully at night if I walk away from this dream that I have. And I told myself that, like, I'm not gonna stop. No matter how much it takes from me, no matter how much it will knock my confidence, no matter whatever can happen, we are not stopping. Because going after something that only you can see is probably one of the hardest things I've ever experienced in my entire life. So we get here, and I'm thinking of this idea, Mocha Gardening, it's gonna be a brand. Yo, I can't wait for us to have an advert on SABC. We are gonna be the first. We are gonna be so big. But then, manje, I don't even have a rand to my name, yabo? I'm fresh out of varsity, just graduated. Aish, angazi nokuthi ngiqalephi. Okay, fine. I managed to get myself some internship in Kempton Park. I think our stipend was around 2,000 rand, if I'm not mistaken. So I used to save up a portion of my stipend money for the duration of the time that I was there, and then ngazibhayela umshin. So from then on, I taught myself how to garden. I didn't know how to do garden. I didn't know anything. So from then on, that's when I started teaching myself how ugenzingati. And then, yeah, I started. And then I remember going to my very first client. Nyam approach umatala, and then I tell him, I'm the kid from up the road, you know me. It's like, okay, sharp. Guys, you won't believe me if I told you, it took me 2 days against the outslay. And the only reason it took me 2 days is because on my second day, he came through and he's like, and you're doing things I didn't ask you to do. So I didn't ask for that. So that taught me a very important lesson. Don't do what the client asks you. Basically, it'll save you a lot of time and it'll save you a lot of money. Yes. So then, okay, sharp, I'm moving into my entrepreneurship journey, but now I don't know who to talk to. I don't have people to talk to. I'm just alone in my little corner. And yeah. So I start introducing myself to different spaces. About spaces such as these. Spaces such as these are very important because you get to meet other entrepreneurs that are doing incredible things. And then you start to realize that, man, I'm not alone. Again, like there is so many of us that are going through the same thing. And if we can just, even if it's just a chat, just to chat, just so I can tell you what I'm going through and you'll be able to tell me how you were able to face that situation that I'm facing. So that's why I would say, like, I'd really like to thank Team Nedbank, and I want to thank T so much. You have no idea how much spaces like these mean for people like us. And the help that we got from Nedbank was we got so much more equipment. We even got uniform. So what I noticed about that, it boosted my team's morale. Like like they walk differently now. Like buyers feel, and in a really great way. So, okay, fair like, one of them was like, yeah, just your man, just feel like employed. I'm like, okay, well, I hear that, but like, what did you think we were doing before? Like, oh, dog. But shout out. So yeah, guys, we genuinely need to take advantage of spaces such as these. We genuinely need to take advantage, try our best, and go back and look at our pitches. Look at our pitches and see what we could have done better, and we'll keep getting better. So yeah, guys. Wow, I've burned through my talk. So yeah, basically, it's been a really great journey. It's been hard. It's been difficult. But there's actually nothing else I'd rather do with my life except what I'm doing right now. And yeah, so yeah.
Thank you so much, my brother. Please don't leave the stage, man. One more time. Kwakwakasi, man. It's one of your own. Come on stage. So, I thought you were gonna come with Okay. So, my brother, you operate from the township. We're speaking about mental health. We're speaking about mental wellness. What is it that you do when you're going through a tough time? Like isn't a slangani, man? What is it that you feed your mind that has helped you to overcome those challenges?
So the first thing that I do is I isolate. So my friends will also complain about like, yo, you're so hard to find because sometimes I know if there's a party happening on Friday, I know, but konamanje, I can't. So A, I isolate. B, I'm big on prayer. I'm like ngikhuliswe umama othandazayo, and that just seeped in through me. So faith is very helpful. And then I cut down on social media. I have a faith, yeah, no. And then I do a huge cut down on social media. So that really helps with my mental health. And yeah, because sometimes we find ourselves comparing ourselves to people. Normally, it's not like we want to, but it's like, Joe, you're doing really great for yourself, man. I want that for myself, I want that for myself. So sometimes you don't need that unnecessary pressure that we put on ourselves.
Power. Thank you so much, my brother. So, how do people get in touch? How do people support you? What are your social media handles, your number? Tell the people.
Okay, so we are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, we are on Twitter, we are on LinkedIn, and across all platforms, it is Moja Gardening. On Instagram, it's Moja_gardening. On Twitter, it's Moja Gardening, one word. Facebook, Moja Gardening. LinkedIn, Moja Gardening. And yeah, our phone numbers on WhatsApp, it's 067 780 7444.
Repeat them, my brother.
Sorry?
Please repeat your contact
phone numbers, yes. 067 780 7444.
All right. One more time, please. Can we give them a round of applause? Was it strategic to get this color?
It's always been our color, but it didn't hurt. It didn't hurt. That will also be.
All right. Thank you so much. So what we're going to ask, my brother, I'll hold your notes. I'll hold the mic. You know the drill, brother. There's the camera. Please look straight into the camera. We have a gift for Tumelo. As I said before, everything that is inside here are products that we've just purchased right now from the exhibitors. Thank you so much to the exhibitors. Thank you so much to Nedbank. And thank you so much to you, my brother. Here's a gift for you on behalf of T and Nedbank. And all the best, my brother. All the best. Onwards and upwards.